My name is Allison Soares, and I help individuals and business owners with tax problems. I receive a lot of phone calls from individuals that are about to sell their business or sell a large asset, and they don't want to pay California tax. A lot of people don't want to pay California tax. Unfortunately, if you're a California resident, there is not a lot you can do to avoid paying this tax. I don't provide any tax planning advice, but I do handle a lot of residency audits. And residency audits is when California determines that you, as an individual, are a resident of California, therefore subject to the income tax. If you are not a resident of California and you want to become a resident of Nevada or New York or Arizona or Texas, you really need to make sure that you are moving to that place. You really need to sever all ties with California. You need to make sure your intent to reside in those states is documented, and the less contact you have with California, the better. You want to change your bank accounts, you want to change your relationships, your CPAs, your attorneys. You want to make sure that if you're moving to that state, you actually are moving to it. California does not mess around with residency audits, and it does not happen, that audit, the first year you move, right? Or the second year. It all of a sudden comes down, and it's generally between the second and the third year is when you'll start to get a notice, a demand for tax return, or a residency audit notice from the Franchise Tax Board. So making sure that you're reporting and paying all your California income taxes is really important. Make sure you're talking to a California CPA about your filing requirement. And if you don't want to pay California taxes, I would advise you not to be in California, have any contacts, any income in California, have nothing to do with California. And that is, generally speaking, the safest way to avoid a residency audit liability. Thank you very much.